Okay students, now in this video, in previous video we have seen different angles like complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles and linear pair. Okay, now here we take two parallel lines P and R and Q forms the transversal here. Okay, from this we will see what are different angles like corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, consecutive interior angles and vertically opposite angles. Okay, here in figure we can see P and R are parallel lines. Okay, P parallel to R and Q is the transversal here. Okay, if we see corresponding angles, in this what are corresponding angles, we can see angle 1 and angle 5. Okay, I will explain the corresponding angles here. If I take two parallel lines and I am taking a transversal here, then angle 1 and angle 2, these two are corresponding angles. Okay, next this angle 3 and angle 4, these two are corresponding angles. Next angle 5, angle 6, these two are again corresponding angles. And next angle 7 and angle 8. Okay, these two are again corresponding angles. Okay students, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, these four pairs form the corresponding angles. Okay, here we can see 1 and 5. Okay, what are corresponding angles here? 1 and 5, 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, 2 and angle 6, also angle 3 and angle 7, angle 3 and angle 7, and angle 4 and angle 8. Okay, all these are corresponding angles. Okay, remember one thing children, all corresponding angles are always equal. Okay, corresponding angles are always equal. If we observe here, angle 1 and angle 2 both are equal. Okay, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. 3 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 6, angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Okay, all corresponding angles are equal. Okay, corresponding angles are always equal. Next we can see alternate interior angles. Okay, from the name itself, alternate angles. Okay, if we see here 1, 2, 3, 4 if I take. Okay, I am taking 1 and I am not taking 2 and I am taking the 3. Okay, I am leaving the number in the middle and I am taking the next one. Then we will call that as alternate. I am taking 1 and next alternate number is 3. Okay, in the same way here alternate interior angles. I am leaving one and I am taking the other. Okay, here interior side we should see, as these from the name alternate interior angles, we should see the interior side which are alternate here. Okay, I am taking 4 here and I am leaving this next one and I am taking 5. 4 and 5 are alternate interior angles. Okay, angle 4 and angle 5. Okay, I am leaving the 3 here. In the same way I am taking 3 and I am leaving 5 and I am taking 6. 3 and 6 are again alternate interior angles. Okay. In the same way, consecutive interior angles. Okay. These 1 and 2 and 7 and 8 are exterior angles. Okay. We are taking only interior side. Okay. Now consecutive interior angles. What are consecutive interior angles here? 3. Okay. We will see here consecutive interior angles. If we see here, we should see the interior side. What we are having? 3, 7, 2 and 6. Okay, consecutive means next number only. Alternate means we are leaving one number and we are taking the next one. No? Here alternate angles becomes alternate interior angles. Here we can take 2 and 7 are alternate interior angles and 3 and 6 are again alternate interior angles. But we are having consecutive means next number. 3 and 2 are consecutive interior angles and 7 and 6 are consecutive interior angles. Okay, here we can see 4 and 6 and 3 and 5. Angle 3 and angle 5. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 6. These are consecutive interior angles. Next, vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically means from vertex. We can see what is the vertex here. This is the vertex here and this is the vertex here. Okay, here vertically opposite angles we will draw once again and we will see what are vertically opposite angles. Okay, two parallel lines and I am having a transversal here. P and R, Q be the transversal. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Now let it be 1, okay, we are having vertex. Let this is 1 and this is 2. These two are vertices. Okay, opposite to this 1 and if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What are opposites verticals here to this vertex? Opposite angles to the vertex are 1 and 4. In the same way 2 and 3, 5 and 8 and 6 and 7. All these are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 4, angle 2 and angle 3, angle 5 and angle 8, angle 6 and angle 7. All these are vertically opposite angles. Okay, if we observe keenly, we can notice that these 1 and 4 are equal. These angles are equal. 2 and 3 are equal. 5 and 8 are equal and 6 and 7 are equal. That is, vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay, from this we can see what are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 2 and 3. 2 and angle 3. Angle 5 and angle 5 and angle 8. 5 and angle 8. Angle 6 and angle 7. Also can notice that angle 1 is equal to angle 4, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, angle 5 is equal to angle 8, angle 6 is equal to angle 7. Okay, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay, finally we will see one more. Okay, here we can see two parallel lines, P and R, and Q is the transversal. Okay, now we will see what are corresponding angles. Here 1. Okay, I will draw the angles first. These are different angles we can form here. Okay, I am labeling as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, if we observe that corresponding angles are 1 and 5. Okay, we have learned that corresponding angles are equal. 1 equal to 5. Also we have learned that opposite angles are equal. Therefore 1 is equal to also equal to 4. And here 5 is equal to 8. Which is equal to 8. Okay, here we are having corresponding angles are equal and opposite angles are equal. Okay, finally we get that angle 1 is equal to angle 5 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Okay, also what are next corresponding angles? Angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. Okay, angle 3 is equal to angle 7 because corresponding angles are always equal. Also angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Okay, because here also corresponding angles and corresponding angles are always equal. But if you observe 3 and 2 are vertically opposite angles, 6 and 7 are again vertically opposite angles. That means again this is equal to angle 6, which is equal to angle 2. Okay, this is the thing we observe finally. Okay, angle 1, 4, 5 and 8 all are equal. 2, 3, 6 and 7 are equal. Okay, if we take two parallel lines and a transversal, in that case, okay, we get these final observations. Okay students, okay, if we understand all these things, then we can do the exercise 2.2 very easily. Okay, we will see exercise 2.2 in our next video. I hope you understood these concepts.